What's up, everybody? Today we're solving linked list cycle LeetCode number 141. Let's read the problem here. Given the head of a linked list, determine if the linked list has a cycle in it. Return true if there's a cycle in the linked list, otherwise return false. So basically a cycle means, in a linked list, is if you keep following these next pointers, you hit a node you've already seen before, and you're basically stuck in this endless loop of just running through the same path that you've already been through over and over again, and you can't break out, and you'll never hit null by following the next pointers. You'll never hit null. Understand? So generally you might think, okay, let me just have a cur pointer just go one by one by one, add each node address you see into a set, and then once you run into a node address you've seen before, then you return true because there's a cycle in there, and if you ever hit null, you return false because there's no cycle. But how can we do this with no extra memory while also making it even faster than that? I'll show you how right now. If you have a slow pointer, and a fast pointer, both pointing to head, and you have slow move by 1, so slow is equal to slow.next, and fast move by 2, fast is equal to fast.next.next, eventually, one way or another, slow and fast, if there is a cycle, they will end up meeting. They will both point to the same node address. If there is no cycle, like for example like this, fast, let's say fast is right here or here, since fast moves .next, like fast, if fast or fast.next is ever equal to null, that means it is possible to break out and there is no cycle. But if there's a cycle like this, let's say slow moves by 1, fast moves by 2, slow moves by 1, fast moves by 2, slow moves by 1, fast moves by 2. See, look at that. There's a cycle, and slow and fast now are meeting at the same exact spot, meaning that there's a cycle. So let's try to code up that solution. So slow, fast is equal to head. And while fast and fast.next, meaning fast is and fast.next are not equal to null, let's do slow is equal to slow.next, fast is equal to fast.next.next. And now we check if slow and fast are pointing to the same node address, and if they are, it means there's a cycle, so you return true. If this ever breaks out, it means you return false. So let's check if that runs. Oh, whoops. Let's see. Slow. Cannot unpack non-iterable. Whoops. Yeah. Little Python error right there. Bang. There you go. Submit it, see if it works. And it works. That's what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.